Alright people, this video gonna be about changing the light bulb for the 2017 Dodge Journey. Alright. Open your trunk. First thing you're gonna do. It's real simple, you know what I'm saying? The only tools you really need is one, you're gonna need the bulb. Let's see if y'all can see that. 3157. That's what you need. You get that right there. You can get it at, you know what I'm saying, any little auto store. I think I went to Advanced Auto. It's $7.49 up there. You know what I'm saying? I got a little discount on mine, but you know what I'm saying, $7.49, real cheap. You know what I'm saying? And you're gonna need a screwdriver. You know what I'm saying? See, I don't really have a screwdriver. I just got, you know what I'm saying, a little Gerber. You're gonna see, got these little tabs. You know what I'm saying? Right outside here. One up here, one down here. Alright, what you gotta do, gotta pop that joint out. Alright, pop that out with your hand. 1, 2, the second one, pop that out. Come on, a little hard, but you know. Alright, 2, real simple. 3, take the whole light plate. Pull that out. Got your cord. Turn about less than half. You don't need to turn it that much. About a quarter turn. Boom. Come right on out. Next. I'm checking up. Sorry about that. You know what I'm saying? I'm doing it with one hand. Holding the camera too. Just go ahead and bow. Light comes out. Got your new one. Taking it out the pack. I guess I should have prepared it before I did the video. Sorry about that, y'all. Boom. Alright, got it out. And just do it in reverse. Okay. Slide the ball back in. Boom. Snap right on there. Stick it right back in the hole. Turn it clockwise. Quarter turn. Bow. Lock it right into place. Stick it right back in. Real simple. Take your grommets, stick them joints right back in. 1, get your lock, stick it right back in, lock it into place. Get the bottom one, lock it in, get your lock, lock it in, boom. Same thing for the other side. I'm gonna go ahead and change both of them. There's nothing wrong with my right side, but got two. I'm gonna go ahead and change both of them at the same time, but it's pretty much the same thing for the opposite, for the right side. Real simple. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Like, comment, and subscribe, and talk to y'all a little later. All right.